Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn double integration. That is, in the double integration says if a of f of x comma y is integral with respect to x, then you are going to keep y constant and then later on integrate with respect to y. The result is the double integral donated by the double integral as started from the limit y from a to b as the limit of g of x and h of x, the limit from g of x to h of y. Then most of the time, if you look at the question, this is the example one given, then there is a limit in the double integral. Then assuming this one says if a f of x is integrated with respect to y, then you are going to keep x constant. Assuming the question is given to you like this, then you can keep x constant, you can integrate x and keep y constant. Then the first statement is stated that you can integrate x and keep y constant. Then later on you can take the double integral of y again, then you can integrate y again, then you can take the limits and substitute. Then mostly if you integrate x with respect to y, then later on you can integrate y with respect to x. That is called double integral. Okay, without wasting much of time here, we are going to solve this example. This example says we are to integrate this double integral. The limit started from 0 to 1 and 0 to 2 also. Now we are going to focus. Now we are going to focus ourselves on the inner integration. Then later on we can integrate y. Okay, firstly now we can take the integral of x. We keep y constant. By integrating x, we are going to add 1 to the exponent. That is, we have 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1, which is 3. 2 plus 1. Then now we take the exponent, then we keep y constant. Then we take dy outside. Then the next thing to do here, we are going to simplify it as the double integral of x is power 3 all over 3 y. Then we can take the limits from 0 to 1 here. That is from 0 to 1 dy. In the next step, now we are going to continue here by saying we have to substitute the value of x is equals to 1. We are going to replace x with 1, also with 0. Then we have 1 raised to 3 all over 3 y square minus 0 all over 3 y square. Then don't forget, this is the integral of, that is here from 2 all dy. Then if you simplify, y raised by 3 is equals to 1 over 3 that is 1 times y raised by 2 all over 3 minus this one is 0 completely, this one will be 0. Okay, that is we have dy, that is the integral of limit from 0 to 2. Then in the next step here we can simplify this as we have y square all over 3 dy. Then now we can take the another integral. Now we can integrate with respect to y. To integrate y, we have y raised by 3 all over 3 times 3. That is the limits of the integral from 0 to 2. Okay, then now we have y raised by 3. Let's take the limit of the integration. That is we have 2 raised by 3 all over 3 times 3, where we have 9 minus anything we do in this side we have to subtract for the limit. Now we have 0 raised by 3 all over 9. Okay, then in this case here will be 0 completely, therefore the answer will be 2 raised by 3, which is 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2, which is 4, 4 times 2, which is 8. Now we have 8 all over 9. That is the answer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more video. Don't forget this is the lesson 1. You can follow us for the lesson 2. Bye.